Welcome students. All of how are you? I hope you are fine. I am your Maheshwari ma'am, belong from social department. Already we are familiar, Okay. This is TMHNU Nadar Saraswati Public School, Vadabudhu, Patti. Now I take social science, class 7, subject geography. Chapter 1, Environment. What is mean environment? Environment means everything surround us. Living things and non-living things. Living things, human, plants and animals. Non-living, land, water, air, like that. This is our Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system sustain life. All kinds of plants and animals living in Earth. The word environment denotes that surrounding or external conditions influencing the development or growth of people, animals and plants. Thus we can say that physical and biological condition. That means human-made environment and nature environment, in which living organism lives collectively make up of environmentally. Animals and plants also play an important role in our life. We can't live isolation from other form of life because of we depend on their food and other necessary of life. Thus, it is necessary to understand that process that supports an environment. The nature environment refers to both biotic and abiotic. Land, water, air and living organism are the four major components of environment. Abiotic environment. It is also known as physical environment as comprises air, land, water. Changes in the physical environment brings about changes biotic environment. The next, biotic environment. It is also known as the biological environment as it comprises mankind, plants, animals and other living organisms. Both components of environment, that's biotic and abiotic, are inseparable in the relationship between living organisms. The biotic and abiotic elements of the environment are dynamic nature. A sun is the major sources of energy. All the changes in the abiotic environment powered by solar energy. We get the energy from sun, because it is circulation of air and water brings about changes in the climatic conditions in different seasons. These changes affect the biotic components. All living organisms, plants and animals depend on abiotic environment for the food. They depend on land, air, water and sun for the basic necessity. These components of the abiotic environment also affect the biotic elements in number of ways. Four domains of the environment. Lithosphere. It is the layer of the earth which consists of rock minerals. The othermost layer of the lithosphere, it is known as the crust. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floor. Hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It is comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies. It is essential for all living organisms. Plants and animals and human beings also depend on the water, It is one of the necessary for our life. It is very important to us, human being and animals also. This is oceans. We get it lot of sources from lakes, rivers. Lakes and rivers are the fresh water. Then the water body, it is covered 71% of the earth's surface. The earth is known as the blue planet because of its has abundance of water. These water bodies across the survival for human being. Next, atmosphere. It is the thin layer of the air that surrounding the earth. It is protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays and the scorching heat of the sun. It is produce changes in the weather and climate like fog, raining, then climate changes, Then biosphere. Plants and animals kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. What is ecosystem? All plants and animals in a particular area considered together with this environment. Next, human-made environment. It is involved in the science and technology, human activities such like mining, transport, industry and construction, etc. It is mostly affected our environment in number of ways and now forced to threat to human being. Area of forest decreases. Number of animals become extinct for the human purposes. Number of animals extinct today, changes, do you know? Number of animals become extinct. So we need to take some steps to save our environment. Our environment surrounded living and non-living things. It is human-made environment and nature environment. It is have 4 domains: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Thank you children. Take care.